Hi, my name is George at paintreproductions.com. I'd like to welcome you to a reproduction of Degas' masterpiece, The Dance Class. Now, this painting from start to finish has been a great experience between the impressionist use of the brushstrokes, the colors, the vibrant use of colors. There's so much going on in this painting. It is a challenge and it is rewarding. A lot of detail, and especially if you follow the impressionist style with the very loose painting, you'll see that this is basically it's an oil painting sketch, and then the paint and the color is all done directly on the canvas. There's a lot of detail, so go over it a couple times, and as we move forward, we're going to work on more and more of the detail. There's just a little bit of glazing, but it's mostly just adding a little detail, adding a little more color, and just to keep constantly working on it until we have a completed piece. Of course, with our reproductions, you can take them as far as you want. You can go a lot farther into reproduction than this. But I get to the point where I'm about happy with it and I really enjoy painting it. And some of the highlights painting here is the reflections in the glass, is these people in the background. I love the ballerina style, the like the flowing dresses and the flowing and all the different color tones. And then when you just come forward, there's so much detail. Everything from the sign here, which I guess at the time was a famous performer who was performing. So he was paying homage to him there. And of course, the teacher, all of it, the gaze on the teacher, watching the people warming up and getting ready, watching the ballerinas. So I hope you enjoy this reproduction. It does take a while, so be patient with it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please add them into the description fields in the videos. And again, my name's George at paintreproductions.com. Have a good day.